The next method, which is not very common, to control the rate at which your Windows updates consume your data is through completely disabling the automatic updates. Now this will require you to go to the to open your PC. I'll open it through my file explorer. Then whenever the file explorer opens, I'll right click on this PC and choose manage. Once I have chosen manage, I'll go to this PC manage, and let me maximize this. Once I have chosen manage, I'll have these options on the left hand side of the window. So I'll go down to services and applications and open that. Once I've opened services and application, I'll open services, then let it load. Now once on this page where I have the services, I'll scroll down until I see Windows updates down here. Windows updates, there it is. So I'll double click on Windows update to open the page where I can control Windows update. So the best thing here is how you're going to manage the detection and the installation of updates for Windows and other programs, as has been given in the description section. So go to the startup section and turn the updates to disabled. Now when this is disabled, your computer will not manage to detect or help you download and install any updates until you go through the very same settings and turn it on. So you can do this if you want to completely disable Windows updates for a while, and then you can later turn it on when you feel like, or whenever the need arises, which is also a good thing to keep your computer up to date and manage its speed and performance all at once. So you simply click on apply and OK, and then your Windows update will have completely been disabled, so you won't have to worry about the Windows update consuming your data anymore. So that's it for today. Remember to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification for more videos on computer problems.